Hi Tino.
Hello.
Let's talk about what you've done tonight.
Okay, so we put this ring around the carrots and apples, with some milk and some chocolates down and the cookies.
Who for?
Santa and the reindeers.
Excellent.
And we didn't have carrots last year, so we put some apples down and they ate it because deers are omnivores. And we just decided that it'd be good if we left 5 treats.
So what's an omnivore? Can you remind me?
An omnivore is an animal that eats nuts, berries, leaves, or fruit.
And also meat, isn't it? Because they're not just vegetarian. Yeah, an omnivore.
Some.
Omnivore eats meat and veggies.
Yeah.
Not a carnivore.
Like a raccoon.
And not a vegetarian. Yeah. Cool.
So basically, we're omnivores.
That's right. Excellent. And what do you think Miley's doing down there?
Waiting for Santa.
I think so. She's waiting for Santa. And so what did you say? You think he might leave some tracks and stuff here?
So, yeah, I can pretty visualize this track. Yeah.
Awesome. I don't know. Okay, let's go and see his little helper.
Yep. So he moves around every once in a while by himself when we're sleeping. You clean this up.
And he's just in here, isn't he?
Yeah.
So tell me about this guy.
He moves around every once in a while, and you can get them in different colors: black, green, pink, and red. And blue.
And where's he off to?
He's off to the North Pole, which is that way.
Yeah. So he's going to go out that window, is he? Can you tell me why it was that window?
Because north is that direction.
North facing, okay. And when will he be back?
1st of December.
Oh, next year now. Okay.
Next year.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you for that. And I think it's off to bed for you. Merry Christmas.
Merry
See you in the
Christmas.
morning.